Stay for this fun Cookie Monster cupcake decorating idea.
Hey you, it's me, Rox the Rockstar Bakes. What is so fun about today's project is that Cookie Monster is not only eating a cookie, he's filled with a cookie too. I take pre-made cookie dough and make dough balls of cookie dough.
These balls get made into mini cupcake shapes. These are going to fill the center of the chocolate cupcakes. I do this because it's faster, but it gives a richer flavor. Bake according to the recipe. Just like my surprise inside cakes, the cookie isn't going to expand because it's already baked.
I doctor up a box of chocolate cake mix and replace the water with buttermilk, and I add this coffee mix to make it taste good.
Hold up the coffee mix. No, wait. See you later. Hold it there. And I'm just gonna...
Coffee mix. Instead of starting from scratch ingredients, I use some shortcuts to enhance some cake mixes, since flour is still a little hard to find locally.
I was so excited for my first attempt at this cupcake. I dove in with uncooked cookie dough. I know that is not how it works. That didn't turn out so good, but it was fun to watch. LOL. Normally, a box of cake mix makes about 24 cupcakes, but I'll demonstrate a few for example. Press in those baked cookie dough mini cupcakes into the chocolate cupcake batter. Then cover it with a little more of the mix. I baked these big boys on 335 degrees Fahrenheit until a skewer came out clean. A single scoop of black buttercream serves as the base for Cookie Monster's base. See? I'm using a knife to cut out a really big smile mouth. This needs to be big enough to fit a tiny cookie.
I take the black frosting to create the inside of Cookie Monster's mouth. That way you can see the tiny cookie a lot better.
I use a 352 piping tip for this fur shag technique, aka grass piping tip.
I cannot wait to cut into these. I can't wait. I can't wait. I eat the cupcake. I'm a cupcake monster. Om nom nom.
After some trial and error, the best way to get the Cookie Monster vibe was with shorter fur.
Om nom nom nom.
I made cookies with mini chocolate chips earlier. C is for all of the cookies that go into Mr. Monster's mouth.
Om nom 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 nom.
We're just looking at it.
We don't have it.
I mean, like, no, I don't know. You got like 1,000-yard stare, like PTSD. Or like, oh god, I just did the last cookie.
I took some Wilton eye candies, flipped them over, and used edible ink pens to draw on the blacks to get a more googly proportional eye effect.
Cookie Monster technically has googly eyes, right? This is one of my favorite projects for birthday parties if you're crazy about cookie dough and cake and chocolate.
Yes.
Yes.
Whoa, MG! Cookie Monster cupcake success.
If you enjoy cupcake ideas, coming up is a playlist. Thank you for watching.